the previous videos, we mentioned that we're going to be opening up the rough country boxes. So as you can see, we got plenty of boxes to open up, and I'm pretty excited about it. I feel like we're actually going to make some progress on the Chevy Silverado, where we can try to do some overlanding projects. So let's get to it. First box, I guess we'll do this one. I'm pretty sure this is going to be our light bar.
Summer, are you gonna help Daddy? She was behind you and she got scared.
She did.
Uh-huh.
Alright, so you can see. Package. It's a 30-inch curved light bar. Package pretty good. This is going to go behind the grill. It is designed to. I got brackets in that little box. That's what's in there. So I might have to manufacture some other brackets because I think where it's going to be sitting, it's going to block the other light bar that's going to be on the front bumper. So this is the rough country light bar. Mm-hmm. We're not going to take the cover off right now, but it's supposed to be the Black Series, so it's going to be nice. It's not going to be so obvious, but it should look really good in the front whenever we get to use it. Mm-hmm. For the next one, as you can probably read it already, it's going to be the winch. 12,000 pound winch, which is what we need for our truck because it's going to be a little heavy. Alright, so this is our winch. I don't want to take it out of the box yet. Not until we're ready to
install it.
Install on our front bumper. Look at that. So it's a synthetic rope, 12,000 pounds. This is with the kit, but it's actually good material. It's good stuff, but we're gonna upgrade it. We're gonna get a better one. Yeah. You see what's in the package. You got the cable, get the winch, get the rope. So here's the controller. Pretty simple. Out, in. Mm-hmm. It's gonna be plugged in to the side. Mm-hmm. So far, for what I see, it looks pretty good.
Do you think do you think this is something that we can install ourselves, or we have to have someone install it for us?
Well, for us, I believe we can do it. I mean, it's only have the power cables. You just got to mount it to the bumper, mm-hmm. and then test it out. I mean, it shouldn't be too hard. It's got a good booklet of instructions, which is over here. This is a book it got. Came with it here. So that's pretty much what it's going to look like. Right here. So
looks pretty cool. Yeah.
So so far it's got good reviews. That's why I went ahead and just clicked the buy it now button. Rough country. Alright, for the next box, we have this small little box. I don't know if we're gonna be able to use them or not, but it's worth the try. Right here we got the brackets. These brackets are for when we put 35s on the truck, because we have to do some cutting and trimming to fit the bigger tires. So I just bought them just in case we do need them, or in case they actually will help out. But we'll find out the hard way, I guess. Alright, for the next box, I think this might be the front bumper. This is our Exo Winch Mount. It's just going to mount to the front of the truck. So we don't have to take out the front bumper. We just wanted to try it out. Hopefully it doesn't stick out too much. but we'll see how it looks. It's actually pretty solid. It's got some weight to it. So this is gonna mount in the back here, and obviously the rope's gonna come through there. And these other boxes that we have are gonna be the lights that go here. So we got 2 of the square lights, and then this is gonna be for the light bar. There's gonna be a light bar right here, mount right there. And that's why I'm saying that the light bar that goes behind the grill, we might have to adjust it so it's not behind this one. So we might have to make brackets to make it go a bit higher.
Okay.
So there's gonna be another light bar here, and then behind the grill we'll have that 30-inch one. But we're gonna have to put the winch on, put the LED lights on, and then get the wiring ready. We're gonna be purchasing the S-Pod so we can control like all the lights and stuff to make it easier. But I like how it looks. It's pretty solid. Got some weight to it. But be excited to build this thing. Alright, next is gonna be our fender flares from Rough Country. So we can, I guess, help get a little bit wider tires. Make it look more aggressive. So we'll see. Yeah, we chose not to get them painted because we might end up bottle wrapping them anyways. Or we might have just a body shop on them, or we might paint them ourselves. So, trying to figure out what we're gonna do. Let's see, I don't know if you guys can see this. There we go. So this is pretty much the raw material. Can you see it? Mm-hmm. It's the raw material. So yeah, we have to either paint them ourselves, just wrap them ourselves, or have a shop paint them. Alright, for our next and last for now, I said it for now because we got more stuff to buy, but
True.
For the last one for now, it's going to be our rear bumper, also from Rough Country. Saw it online, and actually I think it started off with this. Saw this online, I was like, you know what, I mean, that would be nice to have. I don't have to worry about messing up my rear bumper if I back into something weird, especially on the trail or whatever. Plus you got for like LED lights. And then it went from that to buying a winch, everything else. Oh! That almost broke my foot.
Is the floor okay?
Oh, my foot hurts.
Your foot is fine. I'm worried about the floor.
Oh.
Damn. Is it heavy?
That's my back.
Is it heavy?
Yep. Pretty heavy.
That looks really good though.
So we'll have LED lights here,
Mm-hmm.
and here, the cube ones, the square ones. And then as you can see, it's got holes for the backup sensors.
Mm-hmm.
Because our truck has that. That's for the tire, the spare tire, which we probably won't be using. It's pretty solid.
I like it. Looks solid.
It's even got the steps, like how the factory bumper has.
So are we gonna replace the one that we have now?
Yeah. We're replacing it.
And then wreck this one?
Hopefully not. So, I don't know. Alright, so that's it for the boxes we have right now. We'll have individual installation videos with links, of course. We'll have a link to what we have right now. That way you guys can look it up and see what the price is. It's easy to find in case you want to get the same thing or something similar. But so far everything looks good. Once we install them on the truck, we'll obviously do a video, installation video. We'll do any video of actually building the front Exo Winch bumper, putting the winch on it, the lights and all that stuff. Alright, so that's about it. So if you have any suggestions, comments, recommendations, we're glad you'd like to see it. We're by no means professionals. Honestly, hate talking in front of a camera or people. But we're just trying to build our project, our little family project, that we can do some off-road adventures and overland adventures. We have a toy hauler that we tow around, so we love to go out and camp and stuff. So this is going to be another piece to the truck, so we can do more things. So like I said, if you have any suggestions, comments, especially from the off-road or overland community, just let us know. We'll be gladly read them and see what you guys have to say. Please subscribe, like if you want to. You don't have to, but it's nice if you do. So until next time, thank you.